Welcome back to Arcos Storage. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to every boat owner's heart: proper boat storage. So, buckle up, or should I say, anchor down, as we explore why it's an absolute game changer for safeguarding your seafaring dreams. Your boat isn't just a vessel, it's a floating sanctuary of memories and adventures. By choosing the right storage facility, you're ensuring that your prized possession is shielded from the elements and potential mishaps. Regular maintenance becomes a breeze when your boat is safely tucked away, shielding it from the harsh sun, unpredictable weather, and any unwanted guests. We all know boats are a hefty investment, both financially and emotionally. Proper storage not only prolongs the life of your boat, but also ensures that every voyage feels as exciting as the first. As the weather changes, so do the needs of your boat. Seasonal storage is like giving your boat a vacation of its own. Whether it's the scorching summer heat or the chilly winter breeze, the right storage facility adapts, providing your boat with the care it deserves. So, if you're serious about preserving the joy of your maritime adventures, it's time to consider the incredible impact of proper boat storage. For clean, safe, and secure storage options, check out Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcostorage.com.